The internet promises us that the financial markets have been democratized. In the past, the stock exchange was the exclusive playground of men in tailored suits on Wall Street. Today, all you need is a smartphone and an internet connection to become a millionaire. The most popular key to this treasure chest: options. But behind the flashing interfaces of modern trading tools and promises of guaranteed income hides a multi-billion-dollar industry built to do one thing: steal your money. Let us begin with the absolute mathematical foundation. An option is not a basic gamble. It is a financial derivative. It is a legal contract that grants the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset, like a stock, at a fixed price within a specific time frame. The market offers two variations: call options and put options. Imagine you want to buy a house currently worth $400,000. You expect the neighborhood to spike in popularity. You agree with the owner that you will have the exclusive right to buy this house in exactly 1 year for $400,000. For this right, you pay the owner a non-refundable upfront fee of $10,000. This fee is what we call the premium. If the house value skyrockets to $500,000 after a year, you exercise your contract, buy it for the lower locked price, and secure a massive net profit. If the housing market crashes, you simply walk away, losing nothing but your initial $10,000 premium. This structure sounds incredible for the retail buyer, right? Limited risk with massive potential returns. This is exactly how deceptive trading apps market options to the public. What they deliberately hide is the underlying math. Options are a strict zero-sum game. If you win $90,000, the institution writing that option loses exactly $90,000. And that counterpart is not a person. It is an institutional market maker armed with predatory, high-frequency trading computers. Furthermore, options have an embedded killer: time decay, known as theta. Every single day that the stock fails to move violently in your direction, the value of your contract evaporates like ice under a hot sun. Time always favors the house. When financial regulators banned binary options due to systematic retail theft, the fraud syndicates did not disappear. They evolved. They realized they could extract far more capital by masquerading as fully regulated mainstream brokers while providing retail investors with rigged trading tools and automated signal software. This modern scam works through a hidden three-part cartel: the offshore broker, the artificial software application, and the lifestyle influencer who acts as the online guru. The self-proclaimed trading gurus show luxury cars on social media and offer their automated trading bots for free. But there is a malicious catch. To activate the tool, you are forced to register with an unregulated offshore broker via their affiliate tracking link and deposit thousands of dollars. The software developer is paid up to $1,000 per victim by the broker, or receives a direct revenue share of up to 70% of all the money you lose. The tool is not engineered to forecast the market. It is deliberately coded to liquidate your account as fast as possible. I deposited $25,000 of our lifetime family savings into an automated option system. The slick account manager on the phone assured me it was an institutional-grade algorithm with a 95% win guarantee. Within 48 hours, the software opened dozens of high-risk, out-of-the-money put options on rapidly rising tech stocks. Every single trade wiped out instantly. When I called back in tears, my account was locked, the website was offline, and my life savings were gone. Cybersecurity analyses of these automated trading apps have exposed pure technical manipulation. First, their practice demo accounts use simulated data feeds rigged to make users win constantly, driving artificial confidence. Once real money is deposited, the app shifts into extraction mode. If an investor proves to be skilled and wins consistently, the platform automatically activates a latency algorithm. It delays the order execution by up to 2,000 milliseconds. In the fast-paced universe of options, a delay of 2 seconds guarantees that your trade is executed at an unviable, losing price. The software is a rigged casino slot machine dressed up as capitalism. Before you close this video, look closely at the reality behind the screens. Do not believe the influencers you see live trading and winning 99% of the time. They claim to have discovered a secret strategy, like a MACD crossover or an ultimate artificial intelligence signal. It is a complete lie. These content creators are paid millions directly by the options platforms to act as human traps and lure you into depositing your cash. Go read the independent reviews for yourself. 99% of real retail traders on these platforms find it completely impossible to ever cash out their profits. They are met with frozen accounts, hidden fees, and absolute silence. If you want to stand up against these financial predators, hit that follow button right now. Save a life today by sharing this video with your family, your friends, and anyone you know who trades options or is thinking about starting. Be careful out there. Protect your capital and stay safe.